Hello, everybody. We're live. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hustle Diaries. For those who are new here, again, I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. A wife, a mom, and someone who's still learning day by day. And for today's topic, it's the things we keep putting off. Kung magiging honest ako sa inyo, lahat tayo may mga bagay na matagal na nating gustong gawin. Tama ba? Pero lagi nating pinagpapaliban. Pero maybe it's starting something new, di ba? Or maybe it's having an important conversation. Maybe it's taking better care of ourselves. Or maybe it's making a decision that we've been avoiding for a long time. And somehow, we keep telling ourselves, next week na lang. Or kapag mas ready na ako. Or kapag mas okay na yung timing. Sounds familiar? The thing is, the longer we delay something, the bigger it becomes in our minds. Minsan, hindi naman pala ganun kahirap, no? Pero dahil matagal natin itong iniisip, parang lumalaki siya ng lumalaki. You know, I've learned na waiting doesn't always make things easier, and sometimes waiting only makes us overthink more. Diba? And before we know it, weeks, months, or even years have passed. And then meanwhile, life keeps moving on. And that's why I wanted to share this reminder today. You don't have to do everything today. You don't have everything figured out. But maybe there's one small step you can take. Diba? May it be isang tawag, one phone call, right? Or isang conversation, or isang maliit na decision, or isang maliit na action. Kasi itong mga small actions na to, it creates momentum. And that momentum creates change. So today, this is what I want you to think about. Right? What's one thing you've been putting off that your future self would thank you if you do it today? You don't have to share all the details. Pero I'd love to hear what part of this message resonated with you the most and why. Sometimes growth starts with a simple moment of honesty, right? So thank you for spending a few minutes again with me today in Hustle Diaries. Take care. Keep moving forward one small step at a time. And I'll see you in day 14. Bye!